Good day everyone, welcome back to From Pond to Profit. Today we'll be talking about how to monitor pH and temperature easily in your fish pond. Monitoring pH and temperature doesn't have to be stressful. Here are the easiest ways to check them and keep your fish healthy. Stable pH and temperature keep fish active, stress-free and growing fast. Sudden changes can slow growth or even cause mortality. These are the easiest tools for farmers. We have the digital pH meter, pH test strips, thermometer, and the water surface thermometer. To check temperature, you dip your thermometer 10 to 15 centimeters below the surface and wait 5 to 10 seconds. Ideal range should be between 26 to 30 degrees Celsius for catfish. Check early morning and late afternoon to monitor changes. For pH, collect water in a clean container, insert your digital pH meter or dip the test strip. Ideal range should be between 6.5 to 8.0. You check temperature twice daily. Check pH once daily and record the readings. This helps you catch changes early before they affect your fish. If the pH drops below 6 or rises above 9, if temperature changes sharply, correct it immediately. Early action prevents losses. Consistent monitoring keeps your pond healthy and your fish growing fast. Follow for more fish farming tips. Thank you.